This is meteorologist Dan Baumgart with the National Weather Service in La Crosse with an update on the winter weather. We've now issued a blizzard warning for parts of southeast Minnesota into northeast Iowa, basically along and west of Highway 52. And that blizzard warning extends across southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. A strong Arctic front is moving into the area at this time, just east of Interstate 35 at 2 p.m. And wind gusts behind that front are up to and over 40 miles per hour. This is causing whiteout conditions across south central Minnesota, and we expect those conditions to move in. Across the rest of the area, a winter weather advisory is in effect into tonight for blowing and drifting snow and accumulating snow. The blizzard warning is in effect until 3 a.m. At 2 p.m. we saw snow continuing across the area, a little bit heavier snow right on that Arctic front as it moves southeastward. And again, I've highlighted the dangerous travel conditions that we expect to occur as the afternoon progresses here. We've already had reports of poor travel across south central Minnesota, and some light to moderate snow continues to fall across the area. This front will progress to the east overnight into Wisconsin. By 6 p.m. we expect the front to be well into Wisconsin. We expect the gusts to be slightly less over that area east of the Mississippi and east of the blizzard warning, where gusts will be in the 30 to 35 mile per hour range, maybe a 40 mile per hour wind gust, but the blowing snow will be much less to the east, but still could pose travel impacts, especially on higher terrain. So the wind gusts we expect in the blizzard warning, 40 to 50 miles per hour, that's going to cause some whiteout conditions and drastically reduce visibilities to where travelers and drivers may not be able to see in front of them. It will also limit snow plows on the roads and emergency services if needed, because the visibility will be so low. So we also are seeing behind the front very cold air again moving in with wind chills of minus 20 to minus 30 late tonight into Friday morning. Snow totals still on track for this storm, not real heavy, with the most snow up in northwest Wisconsin into east central Wisconsin in the 3 to 4 inch range. So the summary here: widespread whiteout conditions and blowing and drifting snow into the evening in that blizzard warning for southeast Minnesota and northeast Iowa. Again, the worst conditions should be west of Highway 52 with wind gusts of 45 to 50 miles per hour. We should see the wind start to fall off after midnight and conditions start to improve as sunrise approaches. Snow ends from west to east across the area late this afternoon and early evening, and blowing and drifting snow is expected elsewhere to impact travel through the evening hours. And then another shot of bitter cold air.